Hey, how the heck are you? It feels so good outside, and I was like, you know what, let me get up, get dressed, and let's go to Ulta like always. When am I not at Ulta? It's actually a problem at this point. Okay, so I like to reverse back into parking spots when I'm driving because it's so much easier to just leave when you're done. And when you're done, you can just literally get in your car and zoom off. You know, I love doing that. Alright, so I made it to Ulta. I'm gonna go grab some stuff. I'm putting on a jacket because I totally forgot to put on lotion. So I'm not gonna be caught lacking. Trust and believe that. So I'll be right back and I'll show you guys what I got afterwards. Just got out of Ulta. It's freaking hot out here. Spent $50 today. I wanted to try out this tinted moisturizer, so I'm gonna try that out when I get home, but you can return it, so that's a good thing. So if I don't like it, I'm definitely gonna return it. And I didn't know my exact shade because it's so difficult finding a shade without actually trying it on your skin. But you know what? We gotta do what we gotta do. We're gonna put hand sanitizer because you know what? We don't want to catch the Rona. Oh my God. I feel so sweaty. And I usually wear foundation in the summer, but lately my skin hasn't been so bad. Like, I don't even have foundation on today. I just have a concealer under my eyes and like I just dragged it down. And you can still see imperfections, but honestly, I don't really care. I just don't want to wear foundation. Turn on the freaking AC because it's freaking hot outside. We have a Publix in our area and it's so packed over here. It's like, geez Louise. If we get any more cramped in here, it's so annoying. And I'm trying to go the easy way out of this parking lot and try it and see if I like going this way. There's two ways to leave Ulta. There's one where you drive through parking lots to go down there, so you have a easier time to leave, or you can just exit out the normal way. So my mom told me she likes going this way, so I'm trying it out for once. I never did, so we'll see how this goes. Is it easier this way? No, let me keep going. Summer's approaching and I couldn't be any more happier about it because I hate winter. Summer is where it's at. Was way easier than the other way. I've just, you know, this was a last minute video because I really did want to go to Ulta, but I was like, why not turn this into a little drive with me while going to Ulta? Because why not, you know? This was a very, very successful day. Great morning. It's 11:42 and I'm out the house, you know? It's like, this is something different. Like, I'm never out the house. It's good to get some sun, you know, get some vitamin D action and just walk around, you know? I don't like going in public, honestly, because I don't know about y'all, but I'm scared. So the first thing that I have is the NYX Wonder Stick, and this is in the shade Deep. I use it to contour my nose, and it actually doesn't work too bad. NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen, and this is in the shade Espresso, and this is supposed to work really, really good with the eyebrow glue that I bought from NYX as well. And it's supposed to look like soap brows that you see all over Instagram, and you add in the brow pen to fill in those sparse areas that are like bald. If you guys want a video on me trying out these two products together, let me know because I can definitely make that happen. So this is my TikTok beauty page. If you want to follow me on there, I post a lot of like hauls and reviews and stuff like that. Next thing that I have is the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in Almond Rose. I don't know if you guys heard about the Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. That's a really popular lip color that I've seen all over the place. It's supposed to look like it, and I already did a swatch earlier, but that's it right there. And then I also got the lip color and this is Essence in the shade Bold. I really am into like the natural glowy pinky look recently, and I'm super excited to try it out. The Makeup Revolution Super Dewy Makeup Serum. I'm not sure why I got this because I really like the Glow Recipe Dewdrops. If you guys have never heard of that, oh my gosh. Please, please, please go to Sephora and pick up that product. Like, that thing makes your skin look so dewy. But this is the makeup priming serum with the dewy finish. Super pretty bottle though. I'm definitely excited to try this out. The next thing that I got was the Pretty Fresh ColourPop Tinted Moisturizer. I was very excited to get this tinted moisturizer because lately I have not been wanting to wear foundation because my skin is not the worst. A little bit discoloration, as you can see right here. It's a little bit discolored, but it's not a crazy amount, you know? So I feel like a tinted moisturizer will be so good for me. And I got the shade Light 8N. This was off of the bottle and the box. Can't really try out the products that you would use to, like, you know, get a tester and, like, you know, put it on a cotton ball and like put it on your neck or something like that. So it's really tough to actually find a shade nowadays. Then the last thing that I got from Ulta was the Juice Infused Lip Oil in the shade Red Apple. I spend way too much money at Ulta and I need to stop going there, and I also spend too much money at Sephora. And it's a problem. Thank you so much for subscribing. We're almost at 1,000 on this channel, which is so surreal. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her